everyone, welcome to Chef Claire. Today we're going to be making beef 65. I want to thank you everyone who subscribed, liked, and watched my other videos. Now let's start cooking. So I cut some beef into small pieces and I added some turmeric, salt, and some powder pepper and mixed it all together. And I let it sit in the fridge for 2 hours. And now we're going to cook it in a pressure cooker. So now I've added some water into the pressure cooker and I picked fresh curry leaves from the garden and I'm going to put them in here. Add a little bit of water. Now I'm going to put it onto high and I'm going to wait. Now we are going to make the coating. First we're going to put in 1 spoon of coriander powder. Now we're going to put in 1 spoon of lemon juice. One spoon of yogurt. One spoon of pepper powder. And now I'm going to put in some turmeric. A little shake of this. Now some salt, a little bit of salt. Two spoons of ginger garlic paste. 1 spoon. 2 spoons. 2 spoons of corn flour. 3 spoons of rice powder. 1, 2, 3. Now I am going to put 1 spoon of soya sauce. If you have thick soy sauce, you can put in 3. And now we are going to add a little bit of chili. You can put as much chili according to your taste. I'm just going to put 1 spoon. And now we're going to mix. We also are going to add a little bit of water. To make sure it's a smooth paste, like a masala. So I'm gonna add water. And now I am going to mix it all together to make sure there are no lumps. Just like my tandoori chicken. If you haven't watched that, go watch that too. So now the beef is ready and I finished mixing the masala. So now we are going to put the chicken and the masala together. I'm just going to dip that all in. So now I'm going to mix this all together. I'm using a spoon right now because the chicken is hot and I don't want to burn myself. I mean beef, sorry. So now I have finished putting the masala on the beef. Now I am going to fry them. So I'm going to put this here and use this one. I'm going to put a little bit of beef onto this, and I am going to So now I put all the beef in. The oil has calmed down a little bit because earlier it was a thunderstorm. So you're going to wait till the chicken turn into a dark crispy color and put it onto medium heat. Now we're going to wait. So now we finished all the fried beef 65, sorry. We fried them all. Take them out when it's like this color. Now we're going to make a decoration-ish coat. So now first we're going to put in some onions, pepper, and some cut beef. Now we are going to put in 1 spoon of chili to add some color. I'm going to make this a little bit more. Now I'm going to add the beef. I don't know how to do this. Sorry, this is my first time cooking beef 65. I normally cook chicken 65, so if you notice me saying chicken a lot, it is because this is my first time making beef. Now we are going to mix it all together. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. So you can add as much salt as you need to make it taste really good. I stopped adding salt because it smells delicious. Delicious. So now it is finished and I'm going to put it onto a plate and start tasting. I'll see you in a minute. So now it is ready. Deliciousness. And now I'm going to eat one. It's a little hot, so. It is absolutely delicious. I think you should try it. And yeah, so subscribe, like, and share this with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!